everybody, this is Maddie GTV. I'm Maddie. This is my daddy from Empire South. You might have seen a lot of his videos. And today I'm going to be doing my vanity. I'm going to be redoing this vanity. And with that said, let's get started. So guys, we're going to start by taking all these and this is my little sister Gracie. Oh, she's got a sweat here. Okay, now go back over there, come on. It actually opens off for necklaces, rings, bracelets. That's something cool that I want to show you guys. That's it for the disassembling. Now we're going to start sanding. So you want to have 220 grit sandpaper, and you want to sand it, well, scruffing it. Scuff it. because
why are we going to scuff it?
We are going to scuff it because if we don't, the paint is just going to flake off of it. So we've got all the sanding done. Now we're going to be wiping it down with mineral spirits, and then we're going to paint it.
And mineral spirits smell real bad, so...
And mineral spirits smell real bad.
So we need to do it in a well ventilated. And we're going to turn, there's a fan back behind us, and we're going to turn it on and make sure it blows all the bad gas out, or all the bad fumes out. And this is the part where you need to have what with you?
Paintbrushes?
No, what?
A grown-up?
A grown-up. You need to have a grown-up.
You need to have a grown-up with you for this part?
And what are we going to do after we get done wiping it down?
Paint it?
What's that?
Oh, and if you have any glass or mirrors on your vanity, anything that shows that you don't want to get paint on, use some of this blue painter's tape, scotch.
We're using blue painter's tape, but you can use any kind of masking tape.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
Okay, so what?
So...
Let's do it.
With that said, let's get started. So we've got the mirror taped. We've got bare paint, and we have to have this paint. And we want this paint because paint and primer in one. Bare paint. And we have 2 paint brushes. 1 roller with the roller thing. 2 extra rollers. And this mini roller tray, so let's get started.
Do this side right here for you.
Thank you.
See how it makes streaks if you push too hard, it just slides on it.
Okay.
All the way up to the top.
Yours looks so much more better than mine.
That's all right. I've had a lot of practice. You know, Daddy used to do this for a living. You just gotta think about what you're doing. Okay?
Okay.
How's it going?
Going good. So we've decided to use spray paint for the last coat. And after this all dries,
What kind of paint is
the Max White Semi-Gloss color Max.
Semi-gloss Krylon White Max. Or no. Cover Max.
Yeah. After that dries, we get to do Krylon Glitter Blast Diamond Dust. Diamond Dust. So like move it up and down.
You hold it in one spot. That run. That run. That's always gotta be moving.
Cool. If there's spray paint, you run the thing. Okay, so just do this with it. Do this with it. Okay, here it goes. Ah!
Lean back from it. Lean back from it a little bit.
Okay.
There you go. Hold on, hold on. Getting daddy shot. Ah, got one of these. Snaps on like that.
Uh-huh.
Now you can use both hands.
Cool.
How about that?
Cool.
All right, try it.
Okay. Where did I start?
Remember, all the way across. That's alright. There you go. You got it now. Woo, look at that. Maddie G, the painter, everybody.
Thank you. This tool is very helpful.
Oh. Gotta keep it moving. Are you sweating? You sweating? Want some sweat?
No!
You gotta go take a bath anyway.
No.
Alright.
With changing, I'm not changing this seat.
Changing the fabric on the seat.
Changing the fabric on the seat. Taking the tape off the mirror. Are you gonna take?
You're gonna do the glitter.
Yeah. Doing the glitter and putting the handles on my drawer.
Okay.
We've just got done painting the vanity, and so we're going to be spray painting the whole vanity with this type of sparkle spray paint thingy to make it all look sparkly. So let's get started. So now we're going to be putting the knobs on the drawer.
Like, right in there, where the corner of the table is. Up there. Alright, kneel down a little bit. A little bit. A little bit. Okay, now go.
Well, hi everybody, welcome back.
Too low. You're too low. Come up. Okay, now go. No, wait, too high. Right there.
Okay, now that we're done posing, hi everybody, welcome back. We're going to be doing the cushion for the stool of the vanity. Okay, let's get started.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Wet.
Yeah, she's afraid of that.
Watch, I'm gonna show you, okay?
Okay.
I got it lined up right here.
Mhm.
And I take and put my fingers on this. And this. And I'm gonna put it right up against the edge of that glass.
Mhm.
And kind of push down just a little bit.
Big rose would be pretty.
Or you can even turn it this way. Watch yours. You can turn it this way, do it like that. Or you could do
I think I'm gonna do it this way.
like that.